Longtendo Rangers here. Today, I just got a package in mail today. I'm going to unbox the Tensou Sentai Goseiger with the Gosei Morpher from the Power Rangers Megaforce. This thing is so intense for the show, and I thought I'd decide to make it on this unbox because this is a Gosei Morpher, as usual, as a Megaforce Red, Gosei Red, all those power keys, Dragon Sword, and so Gosei Megazord, Twist Tornado, Sea Brothers, and so much more. And this is from the Astro show for way back 11 years ago. This show's been aired since it's been a long time for this. It's really so exciting. So I'm going to unbox this Tensou Sentai Goseiger Tensouder. It's from the DX version. It's been used for a long time, so I'm better in an unboxing video right now. Let's see, I'm going to open this. Well, let's open up the box. Looks cool. Wow, this is so amazing. Where's that here? Over here. Over here. Including the wastebasket bags. Okay. Well, it's shorter than yours. Let's see. Wow. Would you look at that? When it comes to the Gosei cards, I thought I've never used it. Let's see. Megaforce. Andrew Gray, if you use this card, I look forward to see you. Andrew Gray was played at the original Megaforce Red Ranger. It's so kind. Gosei Red Morpher. Sky Tornado. Dragon Sword. Twist Tornado. Gosei Megazord. Gosei Dragon Sword. It's amazing. Next, we got some Sea Brothers here. Shark Bowgun, and this one is Shark Header, and this is a Gosei Flight. Amazing. Those are power cards. I love it. And just go here, and we got a really special card. Just one package. This is the Ultimate Strike, Gosei Red. I love this. I really love this. This is from the actual Japanese show, that I mostly love it. So it comes the buckles of belts. It's right here. And so these are the front right here. And strap for the card slots right here. These are the bucket belts. So it's insert all these cards into this. This is Gosei bucket, or Megaforce bucket. If you twist this card as opposite direction, it pops up. Since I'm in this one, yes, this is so cool. And the main, and also comes the slot for the buckle belt. As you can put the buckle belt on your pocket, but this is only one we talk about is the Tensouder. As you can see, it's so cool. You put this, push this down here, and then the eyes and red turns red, and you close it, and turns green. Go Megaforce. Or is it from the Japanese show? Change Kado. Tensou. Oh, let me just test one of the cards I have. So, push this up. What's up? Here it goes. So, all we had to do is just change card mode. Go Megaforce, just gently, slowly. Push down. And it activates it. It does have the sounds there, so it turns the battery, I guess. Alright. Take it out like this. Let's see if I can turn things on. All you need is insert the batteries. Well, that buttons it for you. So it even take this one right here as a buckle bucket. It's like as you slide in, it lights up. Like so. So I'm better turn batteries and then testing out. Stay tuned. So I did everything in the card and I just changed batteries for this one. The Gosei Morpher or Tensouder for Japanese Americans. So I did sort of set up, but first let me just go to set things up with this Gosei buckle here and the Megaforce buckle. So again, just closing them apart and insert this sleeve here. One's attachable, so goes around here and this side here. And all the way here. Close this buckle here. So that's the Gosei Morpher ring. Actually, I better just gotta do other side here. Oops. Lower side here. 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 Make sure to stabilize here. Push it all together. Here. Here. And there you go. If I completely wrong or a mistake, but that's the actual it. So I hate that it happens. Well, I'll do this around later. Yeah, and this thing here goes buckle over the side here. So what we're gonna do is just take this part here and I'm gonna put a ring around here. And over side here, snatch to it place around here, over here, and a Gosei Morpher down there. So that's the form, the belt, Megaforce belt, Goseiger, and the Tensouder Megaforce Morpher. So that's the buckle. So wherever insert these cards in, just pull it up. Insert the cards in, like many cards as you want. It's like at least 6 of them. So no matter is, push down right here, and pops up here. So then insert a card to insert that card. Goseiger toast Tensouder. Yeah, well, it's the natural buckle. Okay. Next, I like to focus the main turn. Tensouder Gosei Morpher from Power Rangers Megaforce, Tensou Sentai Goseiger. So, all we have to do is to take in the morphing sequence. First, better grab the attraction here. Megaforce card. In Tensouder Gosei Red, Megaforce Red. From the series. What we gotta do is just turn on the switch. You hear a blink. So, what we just try again. So, turning off and on. Give it so right face. Now, first things first, you have to grab and hold his hands right here. Grab these hands here. This is green light. When it just turns to press this down here, it says gotcha. With his red eyes and his tongue. All we have to do is just sneak it gently here. Insert it. And whatever catchphrase is, go go Megaforce! Tensou! Wow. Amazing. So whatever cards we have here. So gently smooth here. Next, Sky Sword. Or Dragon Sword. For Megaforce, Tensou Sentai Goseiger. Tensou! Alright. Next, we got the Gosei Dragon Sword. Megaforce Dragon Sword. Insert it. Tensou! Yes. Now push back again. And next, summon Gosei Megazord. Tensou! Amazing. Now, next we got the exclusively from the package Gosei Red Power. Alright, again, just insert in. Tensou! Cool. Next, it comes with a bonus and some Sea Brothers. Oh, actually, I forgot the Twist Tornado mode. Twist Tornado, Tensou! Alright, next. Summon Shark Bowgun. Sea Bowgun. Tensou! Okay, next we got Shark Header. It's sort of like a summon shark sword. Tensou! Nice. Dragon Claw. Gosei Tiger right here. Tensou! And that's all the Gosei cards. So, I get all these cards in. The right order. Dice's Sword. Let's see, Twist Tornado. Dragon Sword. Rates Megazords. And the weapons right here. Okay. And that's it. I did an unboxing for Gosei Morpher from Power Rangers Megaforce, Tensou Sentai Goseiger, Tensouder, Henshin, or Transformed stuff. And this is so amazing. So, if you like it, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you next video. I'm gonna better do something Henshin or Morphins starting point. So, this is Gosei Morpher, Tensouder, Tensou Sentai Goseiger, and Power Rangers Megaforce Morpher. This is from the Astro show. It's kind of the same. Thumbs up, subscribe me. I'll catch you next video.